I'm starting with a smoothie, and this is a tropical, healthy kind of smoothie. Gally is here, so I'm trying to keep it healthy. You know, he's coach and he's trying to make sure he stay fit and that kind of thing. So I'm starting with some ice. This one, guys, brought to you by the folks at Nature's Heart. Nature's Heart, lactose-free milk, 3 flavors, almond, almond vanilla, and then there's an almond unsweetened. Almond milk is something that I have started using more and more of as I just kind of just watching what you drink, what you put into your body. And this, as I said, this smoothie is one of those that you can just toss some fresh fruit, fresh vegetables in a blender and get those wonderful ingredients into your system. So I have here a fruit that I love, pawpaw, papaya, for those of you who may want to call it by that. But I'm just getting some nice fresh fruit in here. So going with some pawpaw, I have some bananas. So bananas, pawpaw is real simple, everything in the blender. And guess what I did here? I have some pumpkin that I just mashed, boiled up and mashed nicely. This is very simple. Peel the pumpkin, boil it, mash it, and you get a nice little puree like this. And to keep it nice and healthy, as I said, I am adding the almond milk from Nature's Heart. Guys, new milk on the market by Nestle, and I want a cup of this almond milk to go in there in my blender. And now I just want to add a little spice to it. So I have some cinnamon, a little vanilla essence, and some honey. The thing about it is that the bananas will give it that natural little sweetness that you're looking for. So you really don't need to add any additional sugars, but a little honey is good for the heart. And I have some chia seeds, keeping it nice and healthy. Chia seeds, guys, very, very good for you. And I think I'm ready to pull this together. So in a blender, and there you have it. Look at that wonderful color. My tropical smoothie to get things started today. Thanks to the folks at Nature's Heart. New almond milk on the market, guys. You know Marilla like it pretty, so a little mint to the top. Get a recipe on our YouTube channel, Cup of Joe Caribbean. Ladies and gentlemen, at this stage, I want to welcome my celebrity guest. He is former national player, former national coach, 1973 Footballer of the Year, Everald Gally Cummings. Welcome, sir. Have a seat. How you doing?
I'm fine.
So you know you had to make sure and taste this one.
Yes,
I see you taste this one. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. You can pull the mask down. Mm-hmm.
Delicious.
It's good enough. Mm-hmm. Pawpaw, bananas, some pumpkin. It's good? You never thought all the interviews we do together, I would have been able to,
No, I never thought.
to cook for you and make a smoothie for you.
Very good.
Very good, very good. Coach, welcome.
Thank you very much.
So good to have you here. I think first time you're here on Cup of Joe.
Yeah.
We would have spoken serious sport and football over the years, in my days as a sport journalist.
Right.
But once I saw you did, which I think is long overdue.
Long ago. Most people say that.
I thought it was necessary to have you here with me.
I think the main reason for the book is that growing up as a youngster, I've had a lot of experiences, good and bad, in my football career. And what I noticed is that in Trinidad and Tobago, no one seems to document anything. So when people come from abroad, sometimes they ask questions and no one has an answer. So I decided to do my book, to let people know who Gally Cummings is, what I represent, the kind of family background I came from, at the same time to let young footballers and the general public understand that this is a journey that I've been through for over 6 years, and it identifies a lot of different things about Trinidad and Tobago football history, of which I was a part of, and many other people.
Yeah. Football icon, national icon, and for those of you who may be a little younger than I am, as I said, he was the first coach that I idolized because one of the teams that came through Trinidad and Tobago was a team that we fondly called the Strike Squad. And he was the man responsible for the Strike Squad. He was also the man that attached our culture to football. Kai Soka Soccer was the brand we played. But pause reason as I'm talking about it because I was about that high. And that's the impact that this man had on me from since I was that high. We're coming back. Everald Gally Cummings is here. I'm rolling out recipes and we're looking at some history, some footballing history and some national history. Come on back. Roll Out a Recipe is brought to you by Nature's Heart.